Oh no! Where have all my letters gone? Can you help me find them? I have a red egg. What's inside? What do you think? Wow! It's the letter Y. Y is for yak. Another red egg. Open. Wow! It's the letter C. C is for cherry.
Yummy!
I have an orange egg. What's inside? Let's open. Wow, it's the letter R. R is for rainbow. Another orange egg. Open. Wow, it's the letter F. F is for fire truck. I have a yellow egg. Let's open. It's the letter X. X is for xylophone. Another yellow egg. Open. Wow, it's the letter I. I is for ice cream. I have a green egg. What's inside? Wow, it's the letter S. S is for Santa.
Merry Christmas!
Another green egg. It's the letter N. N is for Noel. I have a blue egg. What's inside? Let's open. Wow, it's the letter L. L is for lion. Another blue egg. Open. Wow, it's the letter D. D is for donut.
Yummy!
I have a purple egg. What's inside? Let's open. Wow, it's the letter V. V is for vase. Another purple egg. Open. Wow, it's the letter Q. Q is for queen. I wonder what's in the red bowl. Can we find something? Let's see. Wow, it's the letter M. M is for mouse. What's in the yellow bowl? Let's see. Wow, it's the letter P. P is for panda. What's in the blue bowl? Let's see. Wow, it's the letter W. W is for whale. What's in the green bowl? Let's see. Wow, it's the letter H. H is for hedgehog. What's in the orange bowl? Let's see. Wow, it's the letter G. G is for grapes.
Yummy!
What's in the purple bowl? Let's see. Wow, it's the letter Z. Z is for zebra. I have a blue egg. What's inside? Let's open. Wow, it's the letter O. O is for octopus. I have a red egg. Open. Wow, it's the letter B. B is for bear. I have an orange egg. Let's open. Wow, it's the letter A. A is for alligator. I have a yellow egg. Open. Wow, it's the letter E. E is for egg. I have a green egg. Let's open. Wow, it's the letter K. K is for key. I have a blue egg. Open. Wow, it's the letter T. T is for turtle. I have a purple egg. Let's open. Wow, it's the letter J. J is for jellyfish. I have a red egg. Open. Wow, it's the letter U. U is for unicorn. That's all. We found all the letters. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.